Your Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 2, jail appeal. My Lord, on behalf of the LSC of the appellant, and I took the concern of the other party, PP, and the respondent number 2, informant side, to take this matter in another date.
How many times you will ask for adjournment?
My Lord, due to in the paperwork, there is no any single page of the 161 statement. So I pray to the staffs, then he arranged the same in a short period of time. So I last
On the prayer of Mr. F. Bagra, legal counsel. The ground that certain pages
161 statements.
were missing in the paper. Which he has got the pages of the regime. It has been furnished.
Not yet. Others available.
That is 4 weeks.
2 weeks maximum.
I put a respondent number.
MSC.
Yes.
Respondent number 2. And
Deep of that.
Item number 1.
yeah. What's happening?
I really don't know where they come up with this photograph. We never see this any work being done
Where?
last month.
Where it-
Page start from 529
Status report,
data report.
529.
Yes, 542 onwards.
So far as the flyover is concerned, immediately were not some time. But
Yeah.
what about the maintenance?
We have been harping on that only, Lord, because of the rainy season now has been over, Lord. Lord, I have instructions from my client, Lord. But we are seeking 1 month's time, Lord. Lord, particularly for that section one side, Lord, we have to open it, Lord. Lord, we have been focusing on that. That we could not do, Lord. There have been some reasons. Lord, in the affidavit, we have also indicated, Lord, that a huge sum of 7 crores have been, Lord, stopped by the authorities.
What?
7 crores, Lord, that has been, they have stopped, no, they have not paid us, Lord.
It not be paid.
No work
Whether you
done.
should pay somewhere else.
My Lord, in fact, we have also incurred a huge amount,
Today,
my Lord.
that work, how can you be paid?
No, that work,
Forget about the
no, my
paper.
Lord, that work
Think
which we
about where you would be landed up.
Lord,
Please,
what I'm saying.
repeatedly on the last few occasions,
ma'am.
you were little lenient.
Yes, Lord, I am obliged to your Lordship,
On your on
Lord.
experience. There's nothing, no progress.
But progress is
Sorry.
very slow, Lord. I'll admit, Lord, for your Lordship. Lord, it's
What
not
do
that.
you hear them tomorrow? Your contractor or whoever.
Yes, my lord. That would be that
Whether there's a contempt, you
actually
have assured. Whatever you are undertaking, that you'll be completing this, at least the maintenance.
Maintenance part, Lord, we are doing it, Lord. It's
You
not that.
understand the main works, so far as the flyover and all, what do you call it? Pillar or something
My
like that.
Maintenance part, Lord, somehow we have
also
been
have-
managing, Lord.
last occasion,
Not that.
the pay. Don't know where it will go.
Now, the main work, yes, there is a lot, and more particularly in the
No,
section
main
1.
work
Lord.
also, this side also that my brother, every day he goes. Morning and evening. What happened? Main works also, that side.
My lord will see what is the condition 542. That 542 onwards. This is what your lordship is indicating near the NRL petrol pump. This was supposed to be in fact completed before 12th of August. 542. This is the thing.
No man and machinery.
I don't recall when this order was passed regarding this. We are 6 months into minor traffic regulations now. Because of this. And this was to be done within 2 months. 543 one. Just see, madam. This is their own photograph. Where did you complete?
Let us take it up on Friday. We'll call
Yes, ma'am.
all this. It's not done. We understand when we were not forcing you to do it.
Yes, sir.
You have when a category statement
My lord,
regarding the maintenance. part was-
can it be immediately after reopening, my lord,
No,
by that
no.
time?
Would like to hear.
So that there is some progress during the October.
Heard Mr. D. Pangi, that council. And also heard
R Dubey, my lord.
R. Dubey,
Respondent number 7.
Mr. And the thing problem, huh? Although although respondent number 7 has filed the status report. Certain photographs. Baba, where is it? That is expired score. That the respondents are really serious in this in the job. They've described several undertakings. Though actual progress appears to be above, like the respondent 7 as well as the authorities of the authority with the highway and the more. What is my name?
My lord, Mr.
Give
Abhishek
the name.
Kumar.
Who is
My representative is Mr. Abhishek Kumar.
not representative? The contractor.
The contractor, my lord. Is
We are
the
not interested in representing.
contractor is a
We
company.
we may take it very seriously.
Yes, yes. No, the person who has addressed your lordship, my lord, he will be coming. He is the responsible.
We are not interested. Who is responsible? Not the mayor representative.
No, no, no. He is the person who has also appeared before your lordship last.
Give the name.
Abhishek.
Give the is executive engineer or chief engineer or the commissioner PWD. Executive engineer and more. Give the name. Day after tomorrow. To appear personally. At, to appear personally. Appear in person. On society. Think about it, Mr.
Yes.
Dubey. Cannot take it lightly.
Yes, my lord. I like to mention one WPC case number 376 is pending before this honorable court. And my lord, this honorable court is fixed this matter for after 2 weeks. But today is 4 weeks ago. The matter is not listed, my lord. And I'm praying for this matter listing for tomorrow, my lord.
Yeah, any urgency.
Yes, my lord.
What is the matter?
This
What
matter,
is the matter?
this matter is for order, my lord.
Orders.
Yes.
It comes its own turn. What is the urgency, sir?
My lord,
Matter pertains to what?
My lord, this matter is pending for,
Sir, I am
4
asking,
weeks.
what is the matter
yes.
about?
I have no idea, my lord.
If you have no other, it's not been listed. Sorry. Yes,
Lordship. My lord, in item number 27,
yes,
today, this morning, I have filed an IA. This IA may be listed, Lordship.
27 why?
Uh,
There,
There is because the petitioner, here his passport is impounded. And at the same time, he got some invitation for one conference. So for that reason, I have filed an IA with
Where-
all the,
where?
I have, today I have filed, Lordship.
What's he calling? Yes.
But may I pray for a liberty to list the matter today, with petition? But item number 4 and 11 are the same. So one, due to positive, we could not file it yesterday. We are filing it today. I've,
You're calling it, they will take it up tomorrow.
but can your lordship accommodate?
What's the same matter?
Same matter. Ultimately the grounds are same. Great.
Yeah, your lordship. So I like to mention item number 15.
Hmm.
This matter to be listed after puja petition.
Why? Have you filed the affidavit?
Yes, your lordship, we have filed a lordship.
Why after puja?
Yes, your lordship.
Any objection, Mr. Singh? On the prayer of MS Pipang London State Council and the prayer not being objected to by Mr. AKC London Council for the business matter.
Yes, also item 22, your lordship. This matter, we have received the parawise comments, so we need some more time for filing our counter affidavit.
22,
It's under typing, your lordship.
22, then I think 22 years is prayer. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. So as to allow the London State Council to file the AKC London Council petition is present. Yes. Next. Yes, petitioner, have you taken consent? So what do you want? Mr. Swenso, Land Council appearing on behalf of Mr. Elper Melan, Standing Council for Department. Responding granted for the 3 weeks. Yes.
I would like to mention item number 12 and 13.
Hmm.
Both are connected matter.
Yeah.
I'm appearing for respondent number 1 and 2 in contempt case and 2 in the main case. My lord, the pleadings have already been completed. So I have taken consent with the petitioner. The matter may be fixed on 27 October.
Why?
For final,
Mr. Swenso, have you taken consent?
Yeah.
Submits the things are complete. And with the consent of writ petitioner in WPC, Land Council for the petitioner in WPC 103 of 24. That is listed after 4 weeks. I don't get these matters.
27. Your Lordship, this matter will be fixed for 27, Your Lordship.
Why?
Even on the last occasion, this matter was fixed for today, Your Lordship. But
You are for petitioner.
yes, Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of our circuit.
You are for
I'm from respondent number 2.
listed matter of 27. Keep that in.
Alright.
May your lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 38, 36, Your Lordship.
Yes,
It is,
infrastructure.
no, Your Lordship.
Then
As per the last order, this honorable court has called for the records pertaining to reading out of the records procedure adopted by the commission. So we are yet to receive the records, Your Lordship. So
it's very far or what?
no, Your Lordship. We have,
You have kept it somewhere in Tokyo or Washington.
we have, no,
You
Your
have kept the record somewhere in Tokyo or Washington.
we have sought for records, but
So I'm asking where you have kept the record. Washington. White House. Must be in the commission's office.
yes, Your Lordship.
Then
We have sent a forwarding letter seeking.
you put it up in the museum in London. MS and London Council for the petitioner submits that she is yet to receive the records as directed to be produced by this court. Therefore, press for listing of the matter after 8 weeks. Who is for the respondent?
I have taken the consent, Your Lordship.
The prayer for adjournment for 8 weeks not being objected to by the council to the party. That is better than 8 weeks.
No, madam.
Okay.
Make it 6 weeks.
I want to mention item 18
18 years.
for the petitioner here. Your lordship, the conducting company will come to not present due to some personal.
What's wrong with it?
I've been instructed to take government for this matter to them.
Okay, on the prayer of Mr. So and so. Then the council appearing on behalf of Mr. We come to the council for the petitioner. Stated. But that is better than this.
Okay.
Item number 1.
Yes. Any instruction? Tell us what's there. What? Said.
I don't expert a record this method already expert
Yes, so what is this? What is this?
It was updated, only but
You have to just obtain it from some website to get out. It's not authentic.
even 2 bidders have participated also. They are downloaded, they uploaded.
already expert you have to the publish of the NI, but just manage the data document.
It's fully functional. What can we do? How do we decide it's not functional? Your documents is not that authentic. From where you have uploaded, downloaded it, how you get very difficult.
Documents like by the public.
Sorry, sir, Modi. What can we do? It's functional, they say. And some bidders have participated, they've downloaded.
Madam,
Maybe at the very moment, unluckily, but there might be some technical problem. We cannot help it out. Every day we're facing, as you have seen.
Madam, can you see page number 210?
Yes, I've seen it.
Here,
That's why this is for documents. This is document you have downloaded from from the somewhere website or something like that.
The same website provided by the department.
What can we do? These two questions where the two bidders have downloaded.
That is the doubt regarding the type of the department.
See, down,
Since the website
down it's something, a kind of word is very difficult. You have to be clear. You have to clearly establish. Has to be clearly established. Just cannot decide on the matter on the doubt.
here in my
Rather, your papers appears to be, more doubtful.
but this is the
What can we do? What relief we can give you now? Assuming that it was not working.
since the website where there is no
They said it's functional. It's fully functional, and then some bidders they have downloaded, they have participated.
madam,
Whatever the stage of this thing,
Technical video. Okay.
what can we do?
And Losip, you can see Losip from the second page. It's the same website. The address is the same website on the top Losip. I have circled for Losip. This is the only the website address given in the NIP.
It appears to be more authentic.
And it was on Losip 13 August. On next page Losip, it was the same address Losip. It was open on 21st August. And on third page Losip, it was open on Losip 29 August. On different dates Losip. It's screenshot of the very website.
madam, if the website is expired, madam, only the owner of the website can access, but not the other.
What do you want now?
Owner number 4 can access the website.
Yes. What about these bidders, other two bidders who have downloaded?
Since this website is already expired, how and where they download the tender documents?
They should not, you file an affidavit, that's all. Nothing. Will this solve any, will issuance of the notice will serve any purpose? What it's well, I find even it's not a case for issuance of notice.
Madam, here the
Heard Mr. O. Modi, the counsel to the petitioner. Agreed by the inability to participate in NIT dated 12/8/2025 for construction of road from NH 13 to Inubi village, the district of Lower Dibang Valley, Arunachal Pradesh. Issued by the executive engineer, Drawing Division, PWD. This present petition is filed on the ground that the website provided in the NIT had already expired on 22 of which is prevented from downloading the tender documents. I mean, consider the submissions, contention of the petition. This court is directed to the senior government obtain instruction. So today, replacing this communication, the copy of the communication dated 22/09/2025 from the executive engineer Drawing Division about Mr. Submits that website. The question is fully functional and two bidders have already have successfully submitted their bids pursuant to the NIT. So the said website. So, therefore, the contention of the petitioner is not correct. Provision of the public, the instruction and the papers annexed, the documents annexed, showing the functional of website in question. It appears that the website in question, it's fully constant, private security constant. Over. For the on the existence of the mobile notification and notice the issue to the respondents. Since Mr. Swenson, returnable by 4 weeks, it's the petition. For all the respondents, no. All. Strict notice, you know, all the respondents. Then it should be considered. To file the affidavit of
Item number 2.
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner here is the poor businessman, Lordship, and he is somehow managing his business. Due to his health issues, he had to take break from his business activities, Lordship, resulting to his cancellation of GST registration, Lordship, as he has failed to pay the GST returns, Lordship. As he has recovered now, he wants to restart his business, Lordship, and the business.
Order. Mr. Bora,
Similar order, my lord.
single order. Huh?
Similar order, my lord. In as WBC 39225, my lord. It is, it is,
28. MS so and so. Will dispose of the matter.
my lord.
Will dispose of the matter, right?
Yes, my lord. This it can be disposed of, my lord.
Similar order. In page 28. And heard MS so and so. What's your name, please?
M14, Lordship.
Where this disposing of the matter?
Of Lordship.
And so, huh? M Boro, MK Boro, CGST. And what?
Lordship, I'm for responding.
What do you want to say? Are you opposing? Are you opposing?
No, Lordship.
Okay. No objection. You just said considering that keeping in view that the similar orders have been passed disposed of by this court. This is the hard and disposed of at the motion is made. And as the executive well,
I love Lordship.
Item number 3.
before coming to impugn order. Just directly come to impugn order, what's wrong? Yes, page 33, my lord. 34 is the type copy. Yes. In continuation of the 30th June to Sri Sanjay Kumar Sriva, EOR, Director of the Director of Office, was he got in charge here.
Here in this case, madam, basically, my.
You are not APR, are you?
I'm APR.
You are not APR. You are TA.
TARE.
TARE.
TAR.
You are not APR. APR.
Presently, I am in charge APR.
So in charge. You are not interested.
But since, my lord, kindly let us see the background.
How it affects your post? How you are affected?
Kindly come to, my lord, the first transfer order, page 23. In this manner, my lord, transfer.
Okay, you have been given enough time to hold the charge in charge. Now give chance to the other employees also.
Not even 10, not even 10 months.
Doesn't matter. In charge. It's not your substantive post.
Correct, man. But the person who is
Very difficult. Simply will issue notice. In the meantime, tendency shall not be to consider it.
Yes, my lord, it's the first go. No, because two ground, my lord, I am raising. But
I've seen it.
2 years,
I'm not
you, my lord, not completed.
It's all right.
And then
You have been, you are only agreed by, basically, in fact, I mean, if I understood correctly, basically you are agreed of stripping of your in charge. Want to be APR in charge.
since, my lord,
But if you are given a 0 and then newly place of posting, in charge of APR, are you be happy?
no, my lord, that is not the question of happy, my lord. But then the frequent transfer, my
No,
lord.
it's not a question of happy, I know, but then it's a question of what you are interested in charge as a APORE. You are not interested in your job as a TA.
I'm interested, my lord.
Then
But then in this manner, my lord, kindly see the first transfer order, my lord. When it was issued, I have not immediately joined also. Thereafter, for the second time, they have issued the order.
okay.
And then when I was appointed here as a charge, then I went and joined the post. It is not even 10 months yet.
No issue.
And then, my lord, the
So had it been your substantive post and before completion, somebody has put in charge, I mean, which is not eligible to hold the charge. You are also equally, you are also in charge. No matter how little higher your post may be. Right.
the manner, my lord.
No, you cannot as a matter of right to hold in charge at the APORE.
That is correct, my lord.
Maybe your post is little higher than the
That is also correct.
if it is correct, we simply issue notice.
Yes, my lord. No, let enable that it's a TRUSCO, my lord. Otherwise, it will become infraction.
Sir, it's very good. And you are from, I should not ask this, but then you are from
Correct, my lord. Earlier I was
like
posted
to-
here at 0 only. And I
See,
was
this code is also not going anywhere. In Puja because I am going to my native.
still, my lord, the manner. Kindly see, my lord, this.
Had there been a high court at 5 minutes, I would have asked, requested that this kindly post me there.
My lord, there is no any public interest involved. To transferring this respondent number. Kindly see, my lord,
Just can.
because earlier transfer order of this private respondent number, it was cancelled.
No issue. Well, see, simply we are issuing notice. Or we dispose of the matter. Not Mr. K. Rama, Learning Council for Reputation. Challenge made in this petition is to the transfer or the date in 40, 0, 9, Secretary, Advocate Ardi, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. With the petitioner has been transferred to. Petitioner is working as TA in the Ari cricket person. Then Pasiga to Deputy Director in the Ardi of Giro towards Human Services. And in his case, the private respondent number 7. Working as EO in Wicket Adi, Director of Adi. Is retained as Deputy Director of the Office Basigan in charge APO Adi. Attention of the concept of that the petitioner with only the post of technical assistant Ari, a higher post than the post of respondent 7 has been transferred arbitrarily accommodate respondent by 7, who is lower in rank fellow in the service, then to violation of the circular of transparent posting guideline. Guideline, the violation of transparent posting guideline as the petitioner has allowed and teacher APORD only for 10 months, not even 10 months. Issue notice returnable back to Mr. And Ratan London edition, which enters appearance. All the respondent 1, 2, 7, 6, 1. This was text. 7, Minister for Science and Science. Then, yeah, well, representation, my lord. Let me consider whether it can be disposed of in that manner, but now will this. Will not say anything on your injury prayer. Just keep it like this. But say, considering the issue, takes transfer. It's the response, the petitioner and the response 7 have been, are being allowed, have been and are being allowed, have been and are being allowed to function as in charge APORE. States no order a request to be passed. However, the pendency of the repetition syndrome they have got with the response authorities to consider and dispose of the representation by the when it is 17,920 17,920 on its own merit. then consider.
Item number 4.
What is this? Issue notice, that's all.
I have an equipment for your lordship. See how this rejection is being done. There the lordship will kindly be pleased to see page 489. No, my lord, as per the
What is the rejection order? I mean, the
489.
89.
There's no rejection evaluation report that is uploaded. The only technical summary report, my lord, that the lordship will find 489. And that was also uploaded on 7th of September 2025. Purportedly, technical evaluation was done in a hotel on 2nd of August 2025. Here, my lord, we kindly see serial number 2 is the petition. Non-responsive. 2 features have been declared to be responsive. Now, the lordship kindly turns to page 490. But the evaluation report. Here, my lord will see in the top itself, my lord will see the technical bid was opened on 2nd of August 2025 and 10 hours was evaluated. And this was uploaded the prior page, my lord will see. It was updated on 7th of September at 8:45. Now, here your lordship will see technically evaluated. After evaluation, the following firms have been found technically qualified for financial. These 3 firms. Why we were technically non-responsive? What was the reason? Nothing is assigned. This is my one grievance. Now, my lord will kindly see the names of the chairman. My one more grievance, one more challenge in this election is, my lord, that the chairman of the technical evaluation committee and the member happens to be, my lord, the near relative of the respondent number 7. Whereas, my lord, the respondent number 7 is in her affidavit has said there is no near relative. Apart from them, her husband also works in the department and I have enclosed this official order. In the affidavit, she says there is no near relative.
Husband is connected with the tender.
But as per the SBD, but the
Relative in what sense?
chairman is the cousin brother of the
Cousin
So, my lord, in my experience,
cousin is a near relative.
yes, it's defined in the SBD as a near relative. The lordship will kindly see
But issue not
page 97.
Huh?
Page 97. Even these 3 bidders does not have the minimum eligibility to participate. That also I can demonstrate.
3 bidders.
Page 90, 97.
97.
90. This is one requirement. As per the general contractor, the contractor shall not be public tender for work in the city. The contractor
Yes, well,
in which is near relative is posted as divisional account or as an officer in capacity between states where the divisional and state engineer board to city shall also independent name
they must work in citizen. Then they
he shall also indicate the names of the person who are working with him in any capacity or in the employment who are near relative to any gazetted officer in the speed of or something about any breach of this condition by the contractor render in liability to the contractor. If the contractor is registered under the department, now I don't note the near relative. Near relative is men, wife, husband, parents, grandparents, grandchildren, brother, sisters, uncle, aunts, cousins, and their corresponding in-law. Here, my lord, this both. The cousin, the member is the cousin, and the chairman is the corresponding in-law, the brother of the respondent.
Now, my lord, can you see this same clause? It is a further mandatory requirement to give a declaration at page 44.
Well, you should notice.
The LOI has not been given.
So, financial bill has been opened.
Financial bid is open, and that financial bid resolution is also not uploaded in the website.
This should be how you are connected. You're technically found to be not responsible.
But that's a requirement that I should know. But why my technical bids are not?
So let's give them a chance to.
And apparently, my lord, will see this response number 7, 8, and 9. It doesn't even fulfill the minimum eligibility criteria. Lordship will kindly see the minimum eligibility. I'll not go into the other detail. There are lots of discrepancies which we have pointed out in the petition.
Only your grievance is that there's no the reason of the on what the grounds of rejection has not been given.
No, that's one. Your lordship will kindly see the minimum eligibility at page 35. Even my lord, they do not qualify to be the bidder in that bidding process.
Page 35.
Page 35. Criteria for eligibility for submission of the tender document. Clause 1.1. Clause 1.1. Page 35. Third clause. The participants must successfully execute sentence in government similar work. Three similar work, each of value 40% of the estimated cost, or two similar work, each of value 50% estimated cost, or one similar work of the value of 50% of the estimated cost during last 5 years. Now, my lord, respond number 7 first. The lordship will kindly see her page 290 experience.
Yes. Cousins, husbands, what's this?
Let notice be issued, my lord, instructions. Because whether these are guidance or not, whether
Indeterminable that don't.
Madam,
Should I allow it? Financial bill has been opened. Anybody
Madam.
selected?
Nothing is on record. Nothing is uploaded in the website. So we don't know who is L1, L2. Because therefore we have, in fact, we are challenging the very competence of these bidders to participate. They don't have the eligibility.
It's okay, forget about it. Whatever, first you have to establish your case.
My case,
How-
I don't know why my ground.
Normally, it's not given in the ground.
It is always
It will be done.
Usually it's
Record. We'll see.
saying that these are the
We'll call for the records. That's all.
my lord, obviously there will be grounds for this rejection, my lord. First of all, that grounds has to be ascertained, my lord.
That-
Without
Normally,
without any
even
ground,
in
yes,
the report, you said on what ground?
Yes.
Not give the detail.
yes,
You know,
Maybe
But
the-
the clauses are all,
evaluation of this, evaluation of that.
yes, yes.
One line, 1 point. you
Yes,
can
madam.
give it, but it's not given.
my lord, that
You have evaluated in the month of August, 2nd August,
and
and then uploaded
uploaded
in 7 after 1 month.
my lord, obviously there will be grounds and it might have been uploaded. He might not have obtained it, but it can never be that without giving reasons.
489.
page 489.
My lord, 489, but obviously there will be grounds, my lord.
And in fact, 489
Whether this,
PDF, my lord will see. That is the downloaded copy 490 and 491. That which was uploaded.
Anyway, heard Mr. B. Kosik, learned counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this petition is to the rejection of the technical bit of the petitioner. By dated 07/09/2025. No. Which was uploaded on 07/09/2025. What is the work? Supply of for the work of supply of materials under NGNREGA FY 2025 to 2026 for CB block for participant. For CB block, participant law, participant. Pursuant to the NIT dated 20/06/2025 issued by the, who will issue the NIT? NIT. Huh? What is the NIT?
NITF base 40. Project
Director or the director. Director. The technical bit of it. Technical bits were calculated that at a hotel, hotel, Nahalagan. And thereafter uploaded the summary of tender summary reports only on 07/2025. The showing any ground of rejection of the technical bit of the petition. The respondent number?
Respondent number 7.
No, how many?
There are 3 respondents.
No,
3.
the respondent authorities have accepted the technical bid of the private respondents 7 and 8, 7, 8 and 9. So, it is further contended that the respondent number 7,
Respondent number 7.
who is not eligible to bid, to participate in the tender process, as per the condition of eligibility. What is tender?
7 and 8.
Huh?
7 and 8.
7 and 8
Not even a single.
have been accepted. Wisdom. The acceptance of the respondent 7 is in violation of clause what?
Clause 1.2.1.
1.1,
Clause 36.
36. That is page.
Clause 36 and page 15.
36.
36 and page 15.
Is the chairman of the tender board.
An affidavit of near relative. False affidavit.
What it is. Violation of clause 36. Clause what? 1.2?
Clause 1.2.1 is the eligibility value.
1.1. and 36.
And clause 36 of GCC, general clauses of contract, read with clause 13C of the
Contract. And what?
read with clause 13C of the special condition of the NI.
Read with clause 13,
13C,
13C.
C.
Where it is?
For a declaration that there is no
Where it is?
page 44. What now?
C. 13C. Of C1.
This is special condition
Special condition
of the NI.
right. Yes, let's the chairman of the tender board was
Then the respond number 6, we have made him by
tender board of our respondent mistakes. The category of the proprietor of the respondent machine. Husband.
sorry, the cousin of the husband. Lordship is a brother.
Cousin of the husband of the proprietor of petition, respondent number 7.
And when the respond number 7 has not disclosed about her husband working in PW, and that's the requirement.
And the husband of the petitioner, the husband of the respondent number 7, he also employee of the department.
But
And there's no declaration. There's been made. That's what they consider. And should not be written in the report. It's so that what can we do?
that will take custody also.
Oh, madam, it's regarding Manrega, supply of materials. And this,
But the videos who doesn't have the ability to participate, can they be given our award?
first of all, his rejection will be on some grounds. That grounds,
So some grounds that cannot be.
that will obviously be on,
paper.
yes, that obviously will be in papers. That in instruction first. If he is eligible, then he can question it. Now, by just saying that by just saying that there is no grounds given, it will not suffice, madam. Obviously, there will be grounds.
We'll consider the Kipria or next. We'll fix the.
Let there be a status quo. They may not finalize the tender.
We'll see. Or on 21st.
Or you may take up writing about letting happen something.
No, I'm fine now. Thinking about 21st.
Otherwise, if the LOI, then my entire challenge of the repetition would change. Challenge of the repetition would change. Here, my lord, you will kindly appreciate one thing. Prima facie, my lord, there is an apparent arbitrariness, my lord, because
You don't know.
yes, but my lord, if your lordship will kindly see, the bidders who doesn't have the minimum eligibility, they have been allowed. I have been rejected without any assigning any reasons. But that's the competition why I am saying, my lord, because the arbitrariness, the documents which they have submitted, all discrepancies have been overlooked for the private respondent.
Considering the submissions of the council petitioner and having gone well, let me near relatives of the respondent number 7.
But that
Let this method be Friday, take obtain instruction for consideration of the eating prayer. Instruction, including this, that is also there and the
Grounds of.
grounds of objection. Yes, ma'am. You take written instruction for consideration of eating prayer. Right? And this item
11 also same, hello.
here, this is same. 11,
11 also same. Here, hello.
same, which one?
Only respond number 7 is same. 6 is same. Only here respond number 8, hello. 9 will be not there. 8, where we have again questioned the LP.
Place of validity, respondent 7 and 8. Yes. But same place.
No, block is following.
CD block,
90 is same.
CD block chlorine.
CD
Chlorine. That's the difference.
That's same day it was
CD blocks are different only.
CD blocks.
And the 7 and 8. Eligibility.
Here,
7 and 8.
9 is not. It's what about 9 is not.
Okay. Only 7 and 8.
Only 7.
So 6, 7 and 8. You have to take. No. Same order we just want to take.
Item number 5.
Is your question.
It's the transparent posting order, Lordship, and subsequent release order, Lordship. I've challenged the both in respect
What
of
we can do, you have been released. Where it pays. Where is the transfer order? Where is the transfer order?
Lordship will find that (106), Lordship.
106. This release order, transfer order, where is the transfer order?
Lordship, page 41, Lordship. Page 41.
Of the transfer.
Lordship will find my name at the serial number 37.
It's a common transfer order. Common transfer. Sorry, no interferences. The careers and futures of the students are at stake.
Lordship, I have several grounds to press upon, Lordship. I have submitted several representations also, Lordship.
It's okay. It's a common transfer. How long you were here?
Lordship, I have filed
How long you were here?
Lordship, in my place of posting, Lordship, I have not
Forget about Itanagar, within Itanagar, how many years you were here? So how many years?
8 years, Lordship.
Please.
Lordship, there is
Sir.
a Lordship, may kindly appreciate. Lordship, there is a additional affidavit that I filed today.
Saying one.
Lordship, similar situated grounds. Lordship, the state has considered, Lordship. There is a subsequent order after the
state will consider, not by us. A common transfer order.
Lordship, otherwise also, Lordship, my representation, Lordship, there is a latest policy decision law, transparent policy decision law. The
Policy
department,
decision only. What's there?
Lordship, that they are complying with.
Teachers were not.
Lordship, there is an additional affidavit we have filed, Lordship. There, the grounds that we have cited in the representations, all those grounds, taking consideration of those grounds, Lordship. Other candidates, those grounds has been considered. Those grounds has been considered. I have taken 2, 3, 4 grounds, Lordship, there. While challenging this transparent.
All the grounds were not declined. Except.
Lordship, in other candidates, the Lordship, they have
You have already been released.
Lordship, I have already been. That is a look, but there is no reliever in my place, Lordship.
Doesn't matter.
Lordship, may kindly see the additional affidavit, Lordship, that I filed this morning, Lordship.
It's okay. What's there? Some might have been considered. What's the what that?
Lordship, in my considered opinion, Lordship, I have a good ground, Lordship.
Where not? Nothing. What is this? Yes.
This is This is Lordship subsequent modification of the transparent note posting of order dated 20 July 2025. Lordship will see the grounds of modification. Lordship will see the child education. There are lot many Lordship grounds where on the ground of child education, Lordship, the transparent postings of several candidates has been retained, Lordship. In case of the petitioners also, Lordship, I have a ground on this child education. One of my child is studying in class 10 now.
You have to take your child. There must be somebody here. to take care. You just give you an example.
Since he is
We
studying,
all along with other states, beyond these states. My children are at home. I don't complain. We don't complain that my children are studying here.
Lordship, since my student, my child is studying in class 10, Lordship,
In the hostel,
no, Lordship, staying with,
mother is there.
of course, mother is there, Lordship. Father also has responsibility, Lordship.
You are accepted the job. You have to.
Lordship, and another ground is, Lordship, I was already posted in the hardware.
Doesn't make
Lordship, here also
again.
in the
You have been posted from where? Where to where?
Lordship, initially I was appointed as
Now, I'm asking now. By this order, from where?
Lordship. Now I have been posted to Dali, Lordship. Dali second went par, Lordship.
Sorry.
Lordship, otherwise, Lordship,
Had it been a single transfer order, one transfer order.
Lordship, I am not pressing for the interim order, but Lordship, at least my representation may be considered by the department.
It's a question of interim prayer, even not representation. What is your representation?
Find my representation. First representation, Lordship,
You just give one representation. Why all the representation?
53, Lordship.
53. 53.
Lordship.
Page 53.
Lordship.
Is the first and when this page 59 is which order?
Page 53 is the first representation that I have submitted, Lordship. And subsequently, page 96, Lordship, reminder submitted. Because representation was addressed to Commissioner DDSP and the
Yes,
Director.
for the you just consider the representation, that's all. Nothing else.
So till that, Lordship, I may not be.
Then simply will issue notice, nothing else. No, till then. Yes.
Lordship, I kindly consider my direct to consider my representation. It is stipulated.
Let's see. Then is it's something.
Lordship, that is agreed, but Lordship, I have certain grounds, Lordship. Their policy also sees all those
That's
grounds.
why this appears to be a rationalization of transfer policy to the education department. It's a common transfer order. How many persons have been transferred?
Lordship, in total 203 Lordship was transferred. But Lordship, out of 203 Lordship, 45 were reconsidered and they were retained, Lordship.
And that's something they cannot comment on.
So why, Lordship, I
Always
have.
up to them. It's not that your case cannot be considered by state, but this court cannot. Right.
So why, Lordship, may kindly direct.
Beyond our, this, it is clear violation of anything. That's why I've indicated that had it been a single case or you. All right, then we'll direct you dispose of this representation. You can consider it's well and good, but we cannot.
Lordship, if possible, Lordship, with speaking order, otherwise they may just.
Teacher, to think about, I mean, see, equally, we're not saying that you'll have, you have a duty as a father, your son or children. Equally, you being a teacher, children, those students also,
It's correct.
you have a dual, I mean, responsibility as a father and as a teacher. All right, you have to balance both.
Correct.
Yes, heard Mr. Judge, then concept for the petition. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has put to challenge the what they think 20/07/2025, page 41. Serial, your serial number? Your name? 27. Issued by the Commissioner of Independent Education, Government of Agriculture, whereby in many ways, three teachers, PRP, PGT and TGT and PGT.
PGT.
Have been transferred. Different schools. Transfer. GMS, Lekki,
Lordship,
ICR,
this is also actually wrong, Lordship. I'm posted at notes, Lordship, but how?
ESS, Tali, Karadadi district. Extensive service history. Sir, for more than 10 years, since 2006. And what appointed as PGT, TGT,
TGT.
TGT. You are in Nepal since 2006 to 2016. Your appointment is 2006.
Lost.
The petitioner. Claims that since his appointment in the year 2006, he was posted at GRC, Nepal. Where is Nepal? Which place? Canada Day. Huh? Nepal is here, Papupare.
Near Mangyur.
Nepal, in the district of Papupare. Where he has, where he has served for 10 years, continuous 10 years.
Continuous.
Which is considered to be unposted. Thereafter, was posted to where? From where to where?
Lekki. UPS Lekki Model Village.
UPS Lekki,
Page 79.
'79. UPS Lekki, modern place at Nahandagan. Then
Page 88.
80,
88.
88, then 88, then to
Lekki from Lekki to GUPS Lodge.
then by the order dated 19/08/2024, he was posted to UPS Nyorchi, Nahandagan. On domestic ground, right? Well, the petitioner was serving only for only for 10 months.
10.
10 months. July.
This is August 2024.
August 24. Then
This transfer order is July.
then
10.
10 months. 10 months. Only for 10 months. The executive order. Is that yeah, then concept of the petition submits that the transfer, they transfer. So, then you according to the petition, and this mistake. Violation of their transfer and posting policy.
2025.
2025. LT. Transfer. Yep. Right step. Once transfer. What's the check? Transfer. So. So. Yes, but since this then the value that's so so then what is the other what is your other step?
Other ground is child education also.
Submits that son of the petitioner. Step. That's all. What we consider. What is that? Let it go. The petitioner. The- No, why do you not serving here?
Yes, in the same department.
Let it go. The- all the serving as teachers,
Lordship, page 95, Lordship.
teacher,
Teacher.
also working in the same department, posted in the academy
Government, Lordship, Naharlan.
at Naharnagar.
Government Upper Primary School Model.
Government?
Government Upper Primary School Model Village.
Model is
Model.
model village,
Model.
model village. That's petitioner is rejected. That was that's what the policy of this. Therefore, something. Then what is your submission? Yes. Mr. So-and-so, then council would be, then council hearing on behalf of Mr. Tita, then Mr. Council, submits that the impute transfer posting is a common transfer posting by which, by which as many as 203 teachers have been transferred and posted. Transfer. There is issues. Rational system. There is only welfare, well-being of the students community. The teacher. So, in and around for 8 years. 8 years. 8 years. He not have any. It is by continue. Steps. Fairly semester. Maybe directly. Consider it. Consider the semester.
Lordship, can I refer this order, Lordship, since the presentations, they were considered in subsequent. Done in the transparent. This will be
Segments within that also battle, but also. Admittedly, next better. The respondent authorities No, the imperial order of transfer and posting of teachers, PGT, TGT, ERT, PET, whatever I said, teachers, PET is also begin. Then the director of secondary education, the director of education have been effected as a part of rationalization of transfer posting process of the education department. Well, it many years, 203 teachers transfer posting various schools. Pursuant to the teacher was released on when? When's the release order? One zero three. Release order.
106.
Release. 109. Next. Yeah. Explanation. Teachers. See that. So teachers. The future and the career of the master. Said that. It got so 8 years. It's so still get around. I not like not even. Therefore, consideration. The consideration of this transfer. So critical academic year of it's very serving at GUPS model school,
Model village.
model village at Nahatu. That's the critical economic year of sun. It's we would state it. Here, plus that product then. That's the obviously take care by mother of it. What would we should do? I think that's the issue. Still, like, by the what is your reference? The page 50?
53 those.
53. Representation on 28/07/2025. Commissioner. Seeking pension. Detail. Amounts. Zero. Not zero. Also. Consider that auto teachers. Transfer by how many? 45. That's 45. Just consider that
Upon your submission of the
and of submission of the presentation. I leave it with you. Commission. Consider the this. Yes,
Next is also almost similar, Lordship. She also has served in a hard posting, but now again, she has been posted out.
from where to where?
Lordship, in fact, initially she was
Serial number, she's in serial number.
154, Lordship.
She was appointed.
JT, Lordship, DGT.
DGT.
JT with DGT.
Serial number 1.
54. 154.
Page. Same order, right? Same impure order.
Same if you're not.
Page 46. Just take it to next one. Okay. Right? Appointed in 2000,
6%.
same year.
1995 he was appointed.
Ah. Nineteen
2006, she has served there. Chinchu Secondary School.
1995, appointed 1995, huh? And then served at the various schools from 1995 to 1996,
2006.
2006. I think this is considered as
Hard posting.
place of posting.
Hard.
Hard posting place, huh? Hard posting. Then and finally, we had posted where? The last posted.
ISSC.
Where?
Chanagar.
Finally posted attached to the office of State Project Director, some of the six of ISCC. Then then the top prof, turnover. Then you are transferring from eternal DSS 3 or from eternal then to government higher secondary school.
3
West
West
Street. It's still 150 by everyone. Then there's no
only one.
critical academic year.
No. Only
What-
one
what
ground
you-
I have is for her lordship. Only one ground is already I have served in hard posting.
Yes.
I've been transferred.
Or should I? Only one ground.
Only one. For her, only one.
Then representation
Lordship, it is there.
page. Will direct
Page 50.
disclosure of the representation.
Page 50 is there. Representation is page 50. And reminder is also page 50.
A reminder. Yes. Okay. Next.
Item number 7.
Please. Yeah, I'm agreed by non-selection.
Please should not. Mr. This of learned counsel for them. Petitioner, one petition.
Yes.
Petitioner. Right. I think agreed by non-selection. For the post of what?
Constable.
Constable
GD female.
GD, Constable GD, within bracket GD.
Within the
GD. capital. Female. Pursuant to the advertisement, right?
Advertisement.
Where is the advertisement?
Advertisement dated 21/1/2020.
21, 01, 2020. For recruitment. Recruitment.
One.
For recruitment of various posts of constable, head constable and no, this various posts, huh?
Various
Including the constable GT women under the establishment of what?
director.
Director General Government of Environment. This the petitioner has filed this red petition. So, the petitioner has also read for the direction to the secretary come controller for examination. They are the one who has to grant.
Madam?
Secretary, the comptroller has to grant the relaxation.
Yes, madam.
Why?
Madam, in terms of the rules, madam.
Rules.
309.
For by SSB.
Madam, by the SSP.
It's not by the concerned department.
No, madam. It's under the SSP.
Direction to the secretary come controller of examination, APSSB, to provide public grant relaxation of minimum qualifying marks. The petitioner being an APST candidate in terms of minimum marks, qualifying marks for APCM, the NC post and common examination scheme for Group C post 2023.
Ma'am.
It is the case of that the petitioner has not been selected for recruitment to the post of there's no qualifying marks was relaxed in terms of the rules 2023. 23. Declared the right of declared the petitioner for appointment to the post of judge. Issue notice. Only issue is whether the marks, I mean, qualifying marks can be relaxed as per the rules.
Yes.
Whether it has been done or not. But then it's over, no? Selection procedure over.
Selection procedure is over.
Appointment of the over.
Appointment is over. Only, my lord, out of 172 posts, only 2% have been selected.
In the female.
Female.
Only.
Only 2%. And out of
Is there any reservation?
reservation, my lord, this was issued in 2020 in a manner in which, of course, the advertisement is not proper, I would say, but
Issue notice returnable for 4 weeks. You are appearing for all. Since Mr. Messner with Senior Government Advocate. Senior Government Advocate. Extra copy that.
may I pray, my lord, this may be listed with WPC 448 of 25.
This allowing 446.
8.
446.
448.
448. 20.
25.
20. Then this also same.
Next, my lord, item
Same,
but there I'm also
seeking direction for
age
relaxation.
relaxation.
Difference will be this qualifying mark. This is rejection on the basis of overage. So direction. Difference will be relaxation of age. As per the rules.
As per the rule.
Rules of what?
2014 rules, my lord.
2014 of the
14 rules.
department.
Well, there's
What is the name of the rule?
AP Civil Services and Civil Post upper age limit for direct
Recruitment Rules 2014.
Where it is?
The rules is at 103, page number 103.
What year?
Item number 8.
Eight. 103 rule. That is the department rule.
No, my lord, this is
It is
by,
also APPA. No, cannot. be.
this is by the administrative reforms, my lord. It has been incorporated in the APSSB. The APSSB rules of 2018 has been amended.
The rules, the name of the rule is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Civil Service and Civil Post upper age limit or directly, which has been incorporated in where?
The APSSB rules of 2018. APSSB rules is at page 93.
93.
Eleven percent, page 94, my lord. Rule number 6.
Or the 19. Rule number rule
6. Rule 6, proviso to the third sub-rule.
just bring it particular six. What really? It's all over.
The process is over, so I'm praying for the application of the rules because this the rules, no, you cannot just
Future this thing only.
Madam?
Future recruitment only.
No, I'm praying for selection and recommendation in this.
It's all over right now.
Yes, it was in 2025 only this.
The selection was done.
Yes, August 2025.
Advertisement was 2020.
20, man. Result is August 2025.
Item number 9.
Yes, Mayor Lord. Lordship, may I not petitioner? It's a constable.
Issue notice.
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship, the petitioner has not annexed the appeal order, Your Lordship, by the appeal. That order there.
Yes, Lordship, I have made an, we cannot collect that, I'll file an appeal, what? Appeal of the, what my,
Rejection of the appeal.
rejection of the.
Review or
No,
appeal?
the order,
Order of what?
the appellate authority. Your Lordship.
Okay. You bring it.
I'll bring it, Lordship, and then the notice.
In paragraph 11, Your Lordship, he has stated that he has annexed
Then, sir,
page 13, Your Lordship.
Lordship, that what we have misplaced. Lordship, I'll file that within,
no. You have made.
Page 13, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I have made a categorical statement that, my appeal was.
Page 13. So ensure the impute order, this is copies of representation and the impute order.
In order. The 2922, Lordship, it's not there.
It's, don't make it clumsy. You do it in file it.
Lordship, since
You
like,
have to annex it. Let us not make it clumsy. I don't believe it. It's very difficult.
He's
Lordship,
challenging that order, Your Lordship.
we have challenged the dismissal order of from my service and the,
I know that, but you have annexed it, but you have not, I mean, you have said that it is annexed, but you have not annexed it. That is what she said.
Yes.
in this case, Lordship, seems like I have made a categorical statement that,
Only you have to annex that and write it fresh.
Lordship, in meanwhile, are
Your
not,
plans are not here.
they are not here, Lordship. They are from Changlang district. That's the problem, Lordship. And
It's become very clumsy and unnecessary when heading documents of papers.
there's only the one Lordship, the appeal which have been dismissed by the respondent authority. That's all, Your Honor.
But that order he is challenging, Your Lordship, in the prayer also. Annexure 9 is not there, Your Lordship. After 8, directly there is annexure 10.
The appeal is there. There's no order. What is this criminal revision?
The criminal revision, Lordship, I was like, since there was a criminal case against me, during the trial of the case, while framing of the charges, the Honorable Special Judge NDPS has acquitted me, saying there is no charge cases against me. So again, on that basis, Lordship, the state has come before this Honorable saying that the charge has to be framed against the petitioner, Lordship. So that was remanded back, and the trial concluded, and the trial found that there was nothing such an allegation made by the as an allegation made in the FIR, Lordship. So they have given me a clear.
But they are not challenging it. They are seeking a reinstatement.
Reinstatement.
The service in view of the acquittal in the criminal case. That's all. That's okay.
Yes, Lordship.
You annex it, but it's.
I'll annex it, Lordship. Notice may be issued, Lordship.
Or you may bring out record, but then you may correct it.
Yes, Lordship.
In prayer, it's there, Lordship, in prayer number A, Lordship, A and B. Washing of this order. Page 22. Lordship.
Ultimate my the praise before this honorable for reinstatement of my own basing on the criminal which I have been on.
You will not praise this prayer, eh?
Prayer, Lordship, since this is the root cause, Lord, I'll praise this also, but since Lordship, the main contention before.
Anyway, I will issue notice. I think that's whatever you want to do it, do it.
Yes,
We are on that. It's not in the form, and when you allow you to file additional affidavit, all this become more clumsy. That's why we just not Mr. B. Jama, not counsel for the petition. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has sought for a direction to reinstate. As constable, what? Constable.
Yes, Lordship, that's constable.
Constable in the police department. On the ground that of the dismissal from service. The criminal case. No, the petitioner has been acquitted from criminal case on the same set of facts and evidence. Is the issue not his direction? Since MS Arbas and then the state council. All the response of except of make it.
Yes, possible, whatever. The same order, Lordship.
Same constable.
Same constable. Same case. In the same.
Witness, what is the case number?
Case number 477. Item.
No.
The criminal case.
On the ground of what
Mio
I say, on
case
the ground of
number-
acquitted from
Mio PS case number 09 of or 21.
criminal case.
21 A.
Acquitted from criminal case being so and so. Where do you get it?
Lordship, there is in my.
Just tell the page. Number of the
66.
case, criminal case.
Case 66, Lordship.
66. Criminal case being number
Number 09 of 21.
09 of
21 A. 21 B of NDPS.
by the special judge,
Yes, Lordship. By judgment,
NDPS,
Ponsa, Lordship.
Ponsa, by judgment and order dated
28 2 of 2024.
04
202.
2024.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 14.
Okay. That's what
My lord,
Quorum was in a hearing, my lord. And he has informed that his letter depicts on 31st of
Why?
unwell.
Mr. Pangil is objected last time.
Yes, my lord.
What is the issue?
Issue is whether the Secretary Land Management has the power on appeal to cancel the LPC.
So what is to be done? What is your prayer?
my lord, I on behalf of Titorum,
Ah,
my prayer is for matter may be adjourned today, my lord. For his personal difficulty, he is in bed rest, my lord.
what happened to him? What's wrong with him?
I have no idea. I just got
That's
instruction.
when so that concept. Then we'll fix it on 31st. But it's 31st October.
1st October. Yes.
The prayer of Mr. So learned council appearing on behalf of Mr. Peter that council for response number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Response number 4. On the ground that Mr. Guru and listener and the learned council.
They said 30, but I am now if I said 30 again, they may not turn up. This is the typical thing.
So and
Now
so
they
they
say it is basic, I cannot object also.
this is the problem. I've seen the last one. Ah, 30, huh?
Rather let it be 31, madam. Otherwise, it will say I said 31.
Okay, okay. Did they see objected? It is objected. And then concept. What is here? That would address the scope. That the listener express urgency in the matter. On the next step. Next step. That concept.
Item number 16.
Yes, 15. 16, 16. 15 is over. 16. Yes. That's it. I'm who is this? No. Wait, no affidavit.
It's been more than a year
Suspension.
suspension. That has not been revoked nor it was extended. Similarly, equivalent case was the case of the coordinate bench of already disposed. Huh?
Third information. Now the first and second injured inquiry report submitted by. Submit conclusion. Query is conducted over.
Yes.
But we ensure that we'll dispose of the matter. Come with black and white information in your instruction. We have not filed the affidavit also. We'll not wait for a affidavit now. Come up with the written instruction, whatever is based on that will be said. Definitely tomorrow. Yes, ma'am. I don't know how the inquiry was conducted. There's no memo, charge sheet. I mean the memorandum has been charged.
Already charged. I filed my reply also, whereby I then every article of charge.
So what is your ground? That the suspension has not been extended
Not been extended
within
after expiry of time. So there is
thereafter the charge memo of charges has been filed.
yes, memorandum has been filed within their 90 days. But it has to be if after filing of memorandum, if the suspension has to be continued, then it has to be written order. It has to be extended by the authority.
Take it back. Mr. Yellow and counsel for the petition. On the prayer of Mr. Arko, learning council appearing on behalf of Mr. Tita and council. Standing council education department. That this matter be listed on Friday. Friday, 26, 26, 09, 2020. On which date the this is directed the listening is the written instruction on the next day for consideration.
Item number 17.
Yes.
Ask for order dated 29/5/2025. Respondent number 4 has filed affidavit. 5 to 8, they have taken time to file affidavit. But then ask for the court leave. It's not reflected.
What's this?
I mean, that Union of India's name is not reflected. We see the post. They have taken time to file. They say that married
By whom? Union of India.
Union of India.
1, 2, 3.
I know 5 to 8.
Which 1, 2, 3?
1
You have
to 3
also
is
not filed. You have filed it. Huh? Last time, same prayer. Have you filed?
No, Lordship, we have sent,
In May, all of you have made the same prayer.
yes, Lordship.
Betting, send it for betting. 3 months back. Okay, and Mr. Esmo, learn counsel for the petitioners. Further, 3 weeks time is granted to the respondents represented by MS. You are 1, 2, 3. MSP Sangita, London State Council, and Miss so and so for 5 to 8.
Yes, Lordship.
Union of India.
And Lordship, in course,
To file affidavit in the
In courses, our name is
The registry to reflect the name of the, what is
MCAR.
Learned Council, Mr. M. Learned in the police.
That's Lordship.
Apply.
Item number 20 to 21.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lord, there are two petitions, 20 and 21.
Hmm.
Lord, I was engaged in fact in 20, item 20. And 21 is, my Lord, the identical matter. So, my Lord, I want to go through that also. Can you, Lordship, accommodate me?
What is the matter?
Matter, my Lord, relating to the contract works in regard to 6 bridges,
6 bridges.
my Lord.
Have you filed the affidavit? Yes.
They have filed, my Lord, the matter is
Okay,
other.
Even sometime.
Yes, my
How
Lord.
many days?
My Lord,
So there is a interim order. That case is basically they were allowed to construct a road from Itanagar to Jopen. Now in the meantime, they want the extra work of 6 bridges also. It was not in the scope of the original act.
But if this position is not correct, my Lord, I can satisfy your Lordship. But then since the two matters may be hard together, that's the reason I'm paying.
Which the interim order?
Interim order with Lordship.
What is the magistrate's jurisdiction?
Yes, yes, yes.
Mr. As the London Senior Consultation Statement Respect. Then council submits them. He has been engaged in what,
Item 20. Was it both, both, my Lord, but I was
engaged recently. Therefore, principles of that will go through.
No, 20 will cover.
21, they haven't filed.
20 will cover. The one step.
See the matter on when
23rd.
24th. Then. Yeah. Yes.
My Lord, interim order made.
I think of the class.
Published.
Item number 23.
Affidavit. Change of that consequence. Prepare a constituent that council appearing on behalf of Sati Talukan Council. That is still council and council department. But the next time it will be well.
I am waiting for my release of that because something in the same. Transfer of the but it's not nothing.
It's a interim order.
It is. Nothing. I am asking for my release from that. And completed. Why? After my 13 years to complete, they will transfer of that, but I have not been. Where?
Look at that.
Item number 24 to 29.
This is for what?
In item number 24, we have received the reply today 24, 25, 26, we would like to file our rejoinder, Lordship. These three matters.
Then 27.
27, Lordship, I have filed an IA today.
On
Well-
the MSD Ghost Land Council for the incident. Same order or this will be common order.
In first three items, Lordship, common order and interim order needs to be extended, Lordship.
Incident. What I say? One of them have filed. State has filed. Who has filed the affidavit?
Human Rights Commission has filed, Lordship, in item number 24.
Well, in item number 24, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 2 and 3. And this morning we filed our affidavit.
You have filed.
Yes, my lord. In item number 25,
Then in that case, we'll say MSD Ghost Land Council for the petitioners is granted 28 the 3 days stamp to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit of filed by the respondents.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. So and so, record your name, are written. Huh?
An interim order may be continued, Lordship. And a date may be fixed, Lordship, because since I'll be coming from Guwahati, Lordship.
After 3 weeks.
Date, any date.
Just give that. Not within this 23, 24, beyond that, after
20,
25.
28.
28, huh?
Can it be on 20? Yes.
Yes, what is the item 27?
27, Lordship. The petitioner passport is revoked, Lordship.
Hmm.
And we have challenged that. And without the notice, Lordship,
27.
in 27, Lordship, that email which the petitioner has received,
So
Lordship,
the status here in 27.
27, Lordship, no one has filed any reply, Lordship. In item 27, Lordship.
my lord, in item number 27, I appear on behalf of DIGI Kato, my lord, for respondent number 1. And as per instruction by the DIGI, communication has been made and still no instruction has been received.
And within 1 minute, Lordship, within 1 minute, Annexure 5 and Annexure 5.1, page 38 and page 39. Asking for clarification, and this order was passed, Lordship, wherein there was a stay of this Honorable High Court's order was there, wherein this court has stayed the proceeding before the Human Rights Commission by order dated 28/3/2025, Lordship. And this impugned revocation order is of the authorities is of May 2022. It's also the contempt of this Honorable Court's order, Lordship. And now I have filed an IA, Lordship, wherein I brought in because he had to attend one international conference wherein the petitioner is being invited as a resource person.
What allows you to go this better and stay? Once this your passport has already been revoked.
Yes, Lordship. So without there's a principle of natural justice is violated because they just
How do we allow
so,
passport
Lordship,
is, revoked?
Lordship, page 5, Lordship, page 5, Annexure 5, page 38, on May 22, wherein already there was a stay order of this Honorable Court by order dated 28/3.
No, we cannot say now. Sorry.
Lordship, he has to attend, which is also there is a judgment of our Honorable Apex Court, Maneka Gandhi's case. I would like to rely upon that. There is violation of principle of natural justice.
It's all right, but how can at this stage without
So temporary
sending
passport,
the-
temporary passport can be issued, Lordship, temporary as per section 7, Lordship.
this is what what you are saying? What is this? State?
Invitation, I have filed an IA today, Lordship.
Where is your page 28? Are you referring to page,
Page,
IA?
no, that is in the main writ petition, page 38, Lordship.
No, that what not. If there's a contempt, you file an appropriate application, we'll consider that.
Within a minute, Lordship. Page 38 is the first email.
No, that already been revoked. This is, we're considering your IA.
Yeah, in IA Lordship, he has got an,
Appropriate direction to allow the applicant to travel abroad with the once we direct this method, it's there.
or temporary passport, Lordship. Otherwise, he's,
Very difficult.
My lord, regarding item number 27, service was not complete. I think, my lord, there is one private respondent.
Where is this thing?
and Lordship, Human Rights Commission has issued,
Don't pharmaceutical method. Practitioner, I think, something. What is this? Medical pharmaceutical private, what is this?
he has been invited, Lordship.
It's okay. Sorry, but issue nothing on this.
His
When-
tickets
when-
and everything
when
are,
it is?
it's on from 30th till 2nd of November.
Huh?
From 30th of October till 2nd of November, Lordship.
But issue notice, what then we'll see.
On 11th September, Lordship, on 11th September, he received that letter, invitation letter, Lordship.
Her Miss MS D Goslan council for the listener. This is an application. Praying for. Praying for a direction to allow the applicant of the petitioner to travel abroad with passport number R007489 by issuing a fresh of the new passport in order to attend the scientific medical legal conference to be held at Phuket about talent from 30th October 2025. Issue not started by 2 weeks.
I'm sorry, on
Mr.
behalf
Chuecho,
of correspondent number 1.
Chuecho. And you are? Oh. Enters appearance of Myanmar. Chuecho, huh? Then who else are the other respondents?
One private respondent is there, Lordship, and Human Rights Commission, Arunachal Pradesh State Human Rights Commission is there.
2 and 3.
Three,
3, 5.
Yes.
The petitioners,
no, not 2, Lordship, 3 and,
Current
3.
counsel for the.
Only 3 is
For
human rights.
service of notice upon respondent number. What is this? Respondent number?
3, Lordship, 3 and 5. And 2 also, the CGC can, yeah.
No instruction.
3 and 5. Make it 2, 3 and 5.
Yes, Lordship.
Ah.
Lordship, before
weeks.
his travel, Lordship.
Phuket, you are going to Phuket.
Yes, invitation letter is there, Lordship.
What?
For, there
What
is an
is it?
international conference is
It's
there.
all private thing.
International conference is there, Lordship.
Kind of something very official and something like that.
It's an official.
It's a private MPI. Phuket, you are going to want to go to Phuket. Where is Phuket? Have you been to Phuket?
No, Lordship. I was not privileged to go there, Lordship. At least the petitioner, Lordship.
It's not kind of private, public, kind of very, very important conference, something like that.
It's pharmaceutical companies, yes, Lordship.
Private thing, private.
So, and
thing,
he's,
private,
and he has to address on the topic scientific and medical
today,
legal.
if we allow, then
Conditions may be levied. Otherwise, Lordship, Honorable Apex Court order Maneka Gandhi's case,
well,
Lordship.
consider all that on the main case on the next day. All right.
Yes, Lordship.
Item number 28
Permit all
and 29.
have the-
Deeply open.
Anyway, I will not comment more. Yes.
And for the petitioner, Your Honor.
28,
28 and 29.
yes, this IA for what? Dispose of. Huh? So. Listed for what? Who has heard the IA? Who has heard the IA? IA, we are not pressing the IA. So. Are you pressing the IA? Autonomous appearing in, okay, they had been, this is the beginner. Very good.
Lordship, I have a prayer here, Your Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 1, Your Lordship. I have filed my first affidavit on 12/12/2024, Your Lordship. And the stand we have taken in our affidavit, Your Lordship, it's not correct, Your Lordship. So we have filed our second affidavit on 11/9/2025, Your Lordship. So Your Lordship may allow me to withdraw the first affidavit, Your Lordship.
Is it permissible? You file addition. Why have addition and you file it?
Second affidavit we have already filed, Your Lordship.
So we'll consider. We'll consider. What affidavits are on record?
Yes, Your
We'll consider. But this has not been disposed of.
When case number.
They said, this will, we have, there's an order that when the main case is taken up, this will be considered. That's all. That's why it's given. So affidavits, readings are complete. What is your case, sir?
My case, Your Lordship, is that this is basically challenging the advertisement dated 19 January 2024, issued by the respondent number 2 and 3. They are the Andhra Pradesh University. Basic contention was the recruitment is regarding the group C post, Your Lordship. So the issue I'm raising, Your Lordship, is that they are not competent to conduct the examination process, Your Lordship.
Who?
Respondent number 2 and 3.
University.
Yes.
It is by whom then?
It has to be conducted through the AP SSCB. The
Why?
competent should be the
Why?
Because here, AP SSCB is basically formed to conduct the examination of the group C and D post.
Ah,
And the
it's for, it is not for university.
no,
It's for? This is for Arunachal Pradesh University.
yes, Andhra Pradesh University.
Where it
It
is?
is for the Andhra Pradesh University.
Okay. Okay, readings are complete. Heard Mr. So-and-so learn consult for the, and so-and-so. Readings are complete. This for admission. 4 weeks.
The direction.
Come up. This for admission after 4 weeks. Yes, next.
Item number 32.
IA for what?
IA is for seeking a leave for filing the rejoinder. Just close well.
Reason, huh?
Rejoinder. Rejoinder to the affidavit of opposition filed by the respondents.
Why?
But in fact, what happened, the council, proxy council appeared. He took an adjournment, did not make the prayer for filing the rejoinder. Therefore, the court presumed that we have made our right. Page 20 is the order. Well,
Yes.
But the IA, we are praying for a leave to accept our written affidavit, which was closed by order dated 2/4/2025, page 20, my lord. Actually, what happened, my lord, when this matter was listed, suddenly it got listed and I could not be there. Proxy council made a prayer for adjournment without for the praying for time to file the rejoinder to the affidavit of opposition. And therefore, this honorable court has made an observation at page 21. Therefore, it is presumed that the concerned party has waived his right to file a rejoinder affidavit. Accordingly, it is the matter after ensuing revocation in the admission column. Any affidavit which is filed without leave of the court shall not be made part of the record.
Any objection?
Yes, Your Lordship, I have an objection. Your Lordship, the petitioner was given several chances, Your Lordship, to file this rejoinder, Your Lordship. But they deliberately failed to do so.
If they file the affidavit rejoinder, what resolution supposed to be?
I think any kind of. They were given several times, Your Lordship, but they deliberately failed.
It's okay, we'll allow. So. No. Not was the people singular and MS Sangita, the district council board. Then you are for
1 to 6, Your Lordship.
and what about the others?
7, my lord, she notice was served, it did not appear. And 8,
Then 1 to 6, huh? Then Sangita. Then 11. Rest.
7, my lord, after notice is served, my lord, she did not appear. Must be let the services.
Then what about 8?
8, a council has appeared and there is an affidavit also filed.
9?
9, my lord.
And 6?
6, I guess, is appearing because
6 you are appearing.
yes.
So
9
which-
also,
Which
9,
affidavit you would like to present?
my lord, respond number 2, 2, 5, 6, and 9.
It's application is fine. Corrected. WPC 6. So and so. Because it's a mistake. Inadvertent. Region. You have filed already.
No, madam. Only it's ready, madam. Can file it.
So this the- region deputy.
Tell your plan.
But the other two repetition 31 and 32. This pilot can close it, madam, because the 30 is a composite repetition. That was with regard to the suspension. A final order of expellation.
Mr. Because opposite, we say.
Yes.
Consolidated or opposite?
Yes, in view of the final order passed.
Final order passed. And the filing of the WPC 46. of the 2022. You are there. All of you are there.
Yes, yes. Same party.
Same.
Always.
Item number 33.
Praying for conclusion of the selection process started. Now, an affidavit has been filed. But the communication by the CBI saying the investigation is still ongoing. 2022. Now they have been. My instruction is that none of the petitioners have ever been called for even for interrogation. So, when we grant
It's
some
under the
time,
investigation, the CBI.
that is what they said. This communication at page 58 of the affidavit.
The
So
part
I'd like
of
to
that,
implead the CBI, my lord.
It is connected with those,
I can't make nothing out of.
when, reason,
Yes, maybe,
you are disputing the facts.
but this is a communication by the CBI. That is the difficulty. This is the communication page 58 of the affidavit.
Affidavit.
Yes, of the publication. There's no objection to my lord conduct the examination. Last page. With reference to your letter number and successor on the subject cited above, it is to inform that investigation both the above mentioned recruitment examination is still going on. Hence, appropriate decision may be taken at your end in the matter as deemed fit. Otherwise, my lord, I will implead the CBI, my lord, and
Clear and
yes. Otherwise, there is no material here, but I don't have any material. My instructions are we have never been called for intervention also. It's 2022.
administrative by council. Petitioners submits the affidavit, right? Matters. Everything indicates that the matter is pending for the investigation by the CBI.
Yes.
After 3 weeks.
Yes.
So it's
Item number 34 and 35.
Yes. Yes. Why? What is the last order? You are for response number 3.
Yes, Lordship, I'm filing Wakalat number today.
Listed for admission hearing in that case. What is the issue?
Issue is Lordship, regarding that, ineligible person. Sorry,
Let me hear her.
sorry.
Let me have the privilege of hearing her.
Yes.
Then I'll get back to you. I'll come to you. Yes,
Respondent number 3, my lord,
yes.
who is a junior cadre from the petitioner.
Which
Yes,
cadre? Which cadre?
ACF, my lord,
Okay.
is from entry grade, my lord. So he has been transferred in the place of the petitioner who is
Regular cadre.
yes,
Higher in the higher cadre.
yes, my lord. He's serving as a DFO, my lord. So, my lord, what happened? We have filed an for the same. We have filed a writ petition number 331 WPC, my lord.
This next item.
Yes, my lord. So,
331. Yes.
yes, in that writ petition, we have been granted interim, and in the meantime, the government were asked to file affidavit. So, what happened in the meantime, my lord? The respondent of
There was an observation that there should not be a bar for respond to consider the representation. That was
yes. So, what happened in the
that
meantime?
has been disposed of and rejected. So
Yes.
this writ petition.
Yes, ma'am.
So why was saying that it can be disposed of without
See the,
in? Yes. Petitions respondable to be issued by the if the return status as of it shall be maintained. Is the last order. You are mistaken. You're mistaken with some other case. See, I think affidavit will be required because what the petitioner is claiming is that you are seeking posting of a officer, junior or lower in cadre to the post in his post. You have to clarify, is not it? So then say no. And why you are saying that it can be disposed of without affidavit? If you accept the submission and contention, will dispose of. Set aside, is not it? It's the whole problem. They'll never answer you properly. Anyway, we'll grant another 3 weeks. And Mr. T will record, we have heard her, will record her name. It's there of London Council for the petition. Miss G at the London. No, MS and get London Council. There's appearance on behalf of respond number 3. Submits them. She will be validated. Submitting our power during the course of the day. MST at the senior government state president. And understand that. I granted 3 weeks time, right?
My lord, there is a status quo, my lord.
Status quo. Interim order passed by the secretary. Or you want something more than the status quo.
Item number 37.
List after 3 weeks. Yes, what is your job?
In this case, despite of repeatedly giving
Yes.
opportunity, they have not filed.
It is. What is the provision for granting relaxation of the age in such a circumstances? Is there any provision?
Provision, it is not more, but then in similarly situated situation, one of the person, they themselves, they are admitting that their delay of age was conducted. Technically, this FR page 111.
What do you say?
Is actually the
Who is opposing? Commercial is not your department.
it's the government law.
Yes.
State.
Why you are not direct? Allow the definition. That's all. We direct you to conduct within 1 month. Accordingly, send it for the what is audit and pension immediately. Yes, they have nothing to say. They said they've returned the with the papers. It is you, the transport department who has to. Apart from this paper, this page 111, any rule is required? Is there any rule? Mr. Tama?
Rule is not good. No, basically, may I place two small citation?
Why? Why citation is required?
If there is no such rule also, so the ratio is, my lord, pension cannot be denied that too unreasonably or in a technical ground.
Certain. But, okay. Understand. Vietnam. Then concept of the so I understand. MS I am hearing for all the respondents. Response. Right. So, as per payment. And other payment of the pension and the benefits. Which it 23. 31/8/2020. Okay. Submission. It's conductor, bus conductor. Bus conductor. Estate. Page 34. Right. 16 January 2004. Retrospective effect of 7 February 2000. 7/02/2000. Twenty.
Return the pencil paper of petitioner, observing that when petitioner was appointed. Page 102. 102. My lord.
That copy is 103.
Three, my lord.
It is. It's an account officer. The director of audit and consult. Return the pencil papers. Resubmission. Application of petitioners. Superintendent.
Page 105.
105.
The letter written requesting condonation of age to the Commissioner of Transport by the General Manager.
The general manager. State Transport Services. As
Like it's 0.77 and 42.
After filing of your petition or before?
People.
Before.
People.
Don't wait. Okay. Get them. Pension is not a bounty.
My lord.
It is a, what is, pension is not a bounty.
But it is hard on.
It is a harder.
Uh,
modern entertainments. Petitioner cannot be different by the responding authorities. But referring to already 17, 11, 2022. Secretary Transport. Very a civil and signature employee of the same department. But let's look at as a driver. At this age, 7 years, 7 months, 20 days. Secretary. Taking action. That's nearly 2 years. 2 years. 2 years. Commissioner, Transport Department. They will directed to as a petitioner by years. What is this? Years? 5 years. Page 1. Yes. So it's expensive. Yes. So that is MS. No. Despite granting of several opportunities, the response, particularly the Department of Transport, which there is a party here, transport, audit and pension, particularly one and two. This one support. A doctor can be rested to service. MS so and so. And also, okay. Additional civil government. We are misunderstand. The misunderstand. No, there's no instructions. See, submits that, and also and submits that on the materials available. It appears that the petitioner is entitled to a condemnation. as he was. On 31st/8/28, right? 31st/8/2023.
31st/8/2023, correct.
And the petitioner. And other mention other benefits. What's the department at least to have out of the as of sequence included who had service and the efficiency is providing maximum benefits. Consider the services of that. Is noted. Made contesting response, particularly the commissioner, Department of Transport. To service the principle of the year 1980 purposes. However, space service was regularized pursuant to the direction of this board. In WPC, recorded the year 2000. The 2000 regulation. Different from the so where is that letter? Read by the accountant officer. Account officer, audit and account, what is it?
Page 102. Type of 102.
Petitioner. Reported 10 years, 8 months. 10 years. Yeah. It's need to be appointment order of petitioner's complete date of regulation. Correct, my lord. Right? Correct. 77, it is 7 February 2000. Also seen that the department has condemned the such over age of the similarly situated employee who had retired as driver by condemning the over age of 7 years, 7 months and 20 days. Consider this petitioner. Different the settlement of the petitioner in the evening of his life. Have you considered undisputed facts and if you consider among I did it you know some of the considered the interest of justice. Directly commissioner asked for what is the transport department, government of state transport. I think commissioner should be transport department. Transport department. Department of Transport. Commissioner Transport DPT. And Commissioner DPT. Government of Arun State. Condon will directly say condon that consider and condon the what we call it. Consider and condon the age of the petitioner by 5 years in order to finalize the pension of the petitioner within the wisdom. Consider the 5 years. What is 5 years? How many days? 5 years. 5 years only. 5 years only. 5 years. 5 years. Within the period of 1 month from the date of the seat of settlement. But completed the complete requisite papers be sent to the Department of Director Audited to the Director of Audit Inspection. In the period of 15 days thereafter. Hello. I'm listening.
Unlisted item number 38.
Bishop, which place? Surely. At B constituency land council. Then the same order.
Except for this, that challenge is not there, related. Related challenge is not there.
So that relative, yes, item 4.
4 and 11.
4 and 11. Only difference here will be name will be MS T1, respondent, state respondent, state councillor. Then there's a one paragraph is convention regarding relative. Credit brothers of the relative. So that will the clause 36 will not apply.
No, sir.
Only one
Point. Applicable and other, there are other given in the document.
Same thing that it was just emulated in the local hotel.
Yes. Everything.
And then
Other with everything.
same day,
Same.
779.
7. And no reason why.
I'll check it out.
Thank you.
Friday, you can obtain instruction whether this statement is correct. Otherwise, you are issuing notice for 4 weeks for consideration of entry prayer Friday. Black and white. Either allowed, when order will be passed. Depends on the instructions.